Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. This one also comes with the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, silk beige MB Tex interior, sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, dark wood grain trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 31,143 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.